Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial of how to tie turban, gele or headwrap. So first you have to share the gele 50-50. 50-50 means you have to share the gele to be equal. So you fold it and start printing out some parts from it. So after printing, you have to tie with a rubber band, solid rubber band, not soft one, so that it will be firm. You have to tie it to be firm. So after tying it to be firm, you tie it to be firm, then you place it on your head. Place it on your head before you start achieving the style. Alright guys, let me leave you to watch it. Please, if this video is useful, kindly support me by following, subscribe to my YouTube please. God bless you as you do so. Bye bye, see you on my next video.